Throughout the years there have been many iconic things that have made Australian culture what it is today. Vegemite on toast, VB beer, Crocodile Dundee, even Wayne Carey being caught in his friend's bathroom. But perhaps in the Australian muscle car scene, nothing is more iconic than the XY Falcon. Don't quote me, but let's say there's 1,000 XY GTs made, roughly 2,500 to 26,000 exist today. I've been lucky enough to have Mario bring out his XY, his tough streeter. So this is Mario and this is his XY Falcon, and today we're going to take you on a quick walk around and yeah, show you some of the tough Australian street scenes.
Hey everyone, my name's Mario, this is my XY Falcon, and I'll just give you a bit of a tour around and we'll go from there.
So Mario, as you open in the bonnet, we can notice it says 408. So
yes,
what are you running?
408 stroker.
Yep.
C6 auto.
Yep.
9-inch diff.
Beautiful.
Shortened.
So
yeah, great cruiser.
What are you putting out roughly?
Around 600 horsepower.
Yep.
560 foot-pound of torque. So she's a...
Gets up in boogies.
Yeah, she gets up in boogies and quite enjoyable. You can drive it anywhere.
Yep. Beautiful. So I noticed, obviously, I asked the question to you before, but to have a bit of dish like that, is it mini tubs or you shortened the diff?
Just shortened the diff.
Yep.
Shortened it to fit those 8.5-inch combos.
Yep. As I say, to sort of has that. These Falcons always seem to have a classic squat just over the tyre on the rear, and just above the tyre on the front. And it makes it look like they're doing 7 seconds standing still.
True.
So how long have you had it, mate?
Around 18 years now.
Oh wow. Okay.
Yeah.
Yep. So and you take it out a bit, get to enjoy it a bit.
Oh, I try and get it out as much as I can on the weekends.
Not afraid to drive it?
Not at all.
Yeah.
Not at all.
Oh mate, so I think what we'll do now is we'll get you to fire it up here at Cam and over, and then we might do a couple drive-bys. What do you reckon?
All right.